Hey everyone, today I'm testing out the Clawlab turfing gun and H1 frame, and I'll be walking you through a hands-on review while I make a couple of fun turfing pieces right here on my desk. I'll focus on ease of use, build quality, vibration, and of course turfing results. So if you're into rug making, fiber art, or just starting out, this is going to give you a clear idea of how the Clawlab kit actually holds up. The turfing gun is made up of a 90% metal body and weighs just 550 grams. Super lightweight and solid. It feels really balanced in hand. The frame is nail free and it just has tension knobs, and it was ready to go in just a couple minutes. The frame is nail free, uses simple tension knobs, and is ready to go in just a couple of minutes. I've got everything set up: gun, frame, fabric, and yarn. No glue or finishing steps today, just raw turfing experience. Let's jump in. Right away, startup is quick. The gun powers smoothly, and you get immediately lightning feedback so you know it's working. Turfing with this feels really clean. Vibration is low, even with the thicker yarns. Noise level is moderate, not too loud, but you'll know it's working. I'm impressed with the speed control, whether I'm doing tight curves or straight lines. The gun responds very well. It's definitely beginner friendly, but it has a pro feel to it. So here are some of my finished patterns. Take a look close up. You can see clean precision, smooth turns, and it's really nice edge control, even with the chunky yarns. So, final thoughts? The Clawlab turfing gun and frame H1 is lightweight, fast to set up, and very smooth to use. It's ideal for beginners, weekend crafters, and even experienced artists who want a compact, easy to use setup. I'll post a link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching.